Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see through the leaves over there. There's one of them desert seagulls, and the doggies see him. The doggies see it, yeah. And they're wanting to tell me about it. Is that a desert seagull? It is. Oh my goodness. What? What? It's a desert seagull. What? Yep, we got it. What? Yep, them desert seagulls. Yeah. What are we gonna? Yeah. Are we gonna tell Grandpa and Grandma about the desert seagulls? Are we? What else do we have to tell Grandpa and Grandma? Do we have a lot to tell them? Huh? You guys are too much. Oh, stop it.